Hi guys! So, konting astrology talk ulit tayo. Ngayon, I was doing some research. May mga tao na parang, di ba, destined sila na sumikat. Design sila para makilala. Pero, I found out that there are five top placements na nag-indicate na you are created. You are designed by the universe para maging famous. So, ano tong top five na to? Let's talk about it. Okay, so in no particular order 'to, Yung una napansin ko na design talaga for, to be famous is yung may mga tao na yung north node nila is nasa luminaries. What are those luminaries? Ito yung nagbibigay ng liwanag sa atin ng mga planets. So, in astrology kasi, sun and moon, they are considered as planets. So, if you have, kapag yung house kung nasaan yung north node mo is andoon sa yung mga zodiac sign niya is yung tawag doon, ruling planet, you are also created or designed to be famous. That is being said, so yung north node mo is in Leo or in Cancer, you are designed to be famous because you are meant to shine. Again, luminaries. Si Leo, ang ruling planet niya is si Sun, while Cancer is ruling planet niya is si Moon. So if you have any of those north node placement, dude, you need to step into your light para makilala ka na namin. Another thing, kapag yung sun mo is nasa 10th house, you're also destined to be famous or dinesign ka ng universe to be famous. Paano? Bakit ganon? Kasi the sun is about you, your ego, yung identity mo. Ikaw mismo. Habang si 10th house naman, this is about the public image. Tungkol to sa career path natin. So, andoon na kapag nakita mo na, uy, I have my son in the 10th house, then you're also created to be famous. Kasi again, the 10th house is also about the accomplishment. It's about generational work. So, kailangan mo na siyang i-activate sa life mo so that we can know you as well. The third placement na napansin ko, people who are designed to be famous, is yung moon nila is nasa 10th house din. Now, what is the moon? This is our emotions. This is our inner self. This is our core being. Well, again, going back to the 10th house, this is tungkol sa public image. So, tungkol siya sa mga natin, yung mastery natin, expertise natin. We are becoming the authority. So, kapag pinagsama mo yung heart ng tao plus sa public image niya, dude, makakapture mo talaga because you will create something na hindi mo lang create kasi gusto mo. Kinreate mo siya kasi sinama mo yung sarili mo doon sa creation na yon. Maybe it could be a book, it could be a video or whatnot. Pero once andoon na yung passion, yung heart mo, hindi malayo na mapapansin to ng mga tao. And you will be also famous because of it. Isa sa mga favorite placement ko din na nakikita ko in terms of yung fourth placement is the Jupiter in the 10th house. Daming 10th house, no? So, what is Jupiter ba? Jupiter is the planet kasi of expansion. It's the planet of luck. It is also the planet of growth. So, ibig sabihin, yung public image mo, kapag si Jupiter nasa 10th house, that means your public image is bound, is created, and is designed to expand. Now, hanggang kailan expansion to? Depende sa'yo. Kung hanggang saan mo kaya or hanggang saan mo gusto, hanggang doon yung expansion. Kumbaga, sky is the limits to. Ikaw ang magdidikta hanggang saan ka lang ba. So, if you have that 10th, your Jupiter in the 10th house, dude, gamitin mo. You will be able to reach out a lot of people and influence them. Pero be sure to influence them in a positive way naman, ha? Okay, and the fifth placement na na-observe ko who are designed para maging famous is kapag meron kang strong stellium sa first house. So, what is a stellium? Kapag meron kang 3 or more planets that is in that house. So, sa first house siya, sabihin natin you have 3 planets there or more, then you're also designed to be famous. Why? Ang first house kasi, it is a placement sa or the house of identity, of first impression. Ito din yung physical body natin. Ito yung expression natin. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-concentrate yung mga planets doon sa first house mo, you are able to project those energies. So, sabihin natin, ang first house mo, nandoon si Sun, andoon, of course, given yung rising, madalas nandun. Sabi natin, ando si Venus, ando si Mercury. Oh, dude. The sign or any other planets. Again, planets hindi kasama asteroids You're designed to be famous. And use that to give out a positive influence. Now, marami pa na placements in astrology that could indicate na pwedeng maging famous yung tao. For me, those are my top 5. Now, for those na meron kang ganong placements sa sa birth chart mo, i-activate mo siya. Then use it to provide positive influence in this world na kung saan puro negative na yung nangyayari. Use it to bring more light into the darkness. Use it to be an anchor para sa mga tao na naghahanap ng inspiration. Yes, masarap maging famous, but it also holds a responsibility kasi madaming matang nakatingin sa'yo. So use it wisely in a good way that you're going to bring goodness into this world. So I hope nakatulong sa'yo yon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para makapanood ka ng mga next nating videos about astrology and the tarot cards. And soon enough, numerology din. Goodbye for now!